Hello lovelies and welcome back. Okay, this lovely lady Christine, I hope that's how you say your name mate, is soon to be 73. Christine was born in France and moved to Australia when she was 14 years old. Christine has sent me this lovely letter and handwritten 15 of her best recipes. I can't thank you enough mate for taking the time to write this many recipes and to post them to me. You're so awesome. So I promise you that I am going to make every one of these recipes this year. Starting today with pineapple fruit cake. Let's do this. Well, in case I'm getting your name wrong, I'm just going to call you Chrissy. I hope you don't mind. Okay, so the first thing Chrissy said to do was to get out a saucepan and to put 110 grams of butter in there. Now we need a 425 gram can of crushed pineapple. Throw the whole can in there. 454 grams of mixed fruit. Now I'm hoping, Chrissy, that you mean dried fruit. Now the only dried fruit I had is I've got a heap left over from Christmas from the fruit cakes. So I've got some dried pineapple, cranberries, raisins, sultanas, and I found some glazed cherries as well. So 454 grams I worked out is 3 cups of dried fruit. Put that in the saucepan. 1 cup of caster sugar. 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda. 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Now we're going to just mix it in a little bit. Now what we've got to do is we've got to put it on the stove top. And we've got to bring it up to a boil, and then when it starts boiling, we've got to boil it for exactly 3 minutes. Take it straight off, and we want to set it aside until it completely cooled down. Okay, so what I did is I kept stirring it until it all melted down together. As soon as it started to boil, I stopped stirring it. I timed it for exactly 3 minutes. I didn't stir it at all while it was boiling. As soon as the 3 minutes was up, I took it straight off, and I've just stirred it a couple of times now, and it looks like this. Oh, it smells amazing. Alright, so now we have to sit that aside until it's completely cold. Righty, that's taken a little over an hour to completely cool down. Now that that's completely cooled down, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We want to get ourselves a 20 centimetre cake tin, roughly. And what I've done is I just put a piece of paper down, put this over it, traced around it, cut it a little bit smaller than that, sat it in with some butter, cut a couple of strips, put the butter in there to hold it all in place, and we've got our cake tin ready. Now we just want to get 2 eggs in a small bowl, whisk them up with a fork and set them aside for a minute. Then in a medium bowl we want to sift 1 cup of plain flour and 1 cup of self-raising flour. Okay, once we've sifted our flours, we get our fruit mix. We pour in our 2 eggs and our sifted flour, and we give it a good mix up. Once we've given it a good mix up and there's no more dry ingredients, we want to put it into our pan. Once we've got it in our cake tin, I've just smoothed it over a little bit, dumped it a couple of times just to get it all in there properly. Now I'm going to stick mine on a cookie tray and put it in the oven, because sometimes these springform ones leak a little bit and it can absolutely stink your oven out if you don't, so I'll put it on a cookie tray. Now it takes up to an hour and you can check using a skewer. Now Chrissy also said you can make it in a square tin and it only takes about half an hour to cook, so it's up to you which one you want to put it in.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh my god, Chrissy, it smells amazing in here. Alright.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, it smells gorgeous. Okay, that took exactly 45 minutes in my electric oven. I stuck a skewer through it, it came out perfect. Oh ho ho. So I'm just going to take the outside off, and I'm just going to let it sit there like that until it's completely cold. Oh my god mate, this is the yummiest smelling little cake. Oh, it's gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just guessing that once it's completely cold, I reckon put it on a plate, cover it in Glad wrap, and it should be good for at least a week out on a bench somewhere. Wrap a few pieces up for morning tea at work or kids for school.
Oh, let's cut a bit up, eh?
Let's get the light so you can sort of see a bit better. Yeah. I've got like a little sort of grated, oh look at that, like a tiny little grates in it. They're kind of easier for this sort of stuff. Check that out. Oh my gosh, that looks so moist and delicious.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm gonna have to give that a crack. Alright, I've taken some photos. Oh. Let's give this bad boy a go. Wow. Yum-o. Oh my god. Oh, what a winner. I'll tell you what, I think it's that crushed pineapple all through it. It is just the most moist, tasty cake. Oh look, Chrissy, thank you so much, sweetheart. That is so nice of you to write all those recipes out. I am definitely going to give them all a crack. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Oh, yum. Have yourselves a great night, and I will catch you on Stir Fry Tuesday. Bye.